Hello there, guys, and welcome to Daily Updates. I really didn't want to believe that Advocate Teffo will be going back to, or is requesting to go back to, the Senzo Meyiwa case after the stance that he pulled in court. I really didn't want to believe it. And to be honest, Teffo is more like a celebrity nowadays because he's been doing interviews, podcasts, they're interviewing him on radios, TVs. Like, he's this prominent person suddenly like a celebrity instead of focusing on the law and becoming a lawyer. Now, there is this document that is circulating on the media, on Twitter, about Teffo wanting to go back and making a U-turn to the Senzo Meyiwa case after he publicly said that he's no longer going to be continuing. Now, I didn't want to believe it because, with social media, anything can happen. But I was surprised when Advocate Teffo's Twitter account confirmed this news. And he dropped this part of the document that is outlining the reasons and some of the things about his decisions. I want you guys to look at this because it's talking about Muthi, it's talking about Judge Maumela, and really surprising that a lawyer like Teffo would come out with such things. He says, on the 28th of April 2022, I was arrested inside the court by Sergeant Musingwini of Gauteng Provincial Investigative Unit as per the arrangement of the state, including the two ministers, namely Bheki Cele and Ronald Lamola respectively. And Advocate Mshololo was central figure in the arrangement of my arrest, as she requested sudden postponement of the matter under the pretext that she was going to attend appeal matter in Durban, and that were lies. I started to have the nightmares. This is where what can I call it? This is where we can confirm that this guy is delusional. This is where the problem starts, where you can just confirm that this guy is out of his mind. This one he wants to be a celebrity. He says, I started to have the nightmares after Judge Maumela brought his sangoma at court, and his ill treatment against me increased more than ever before. I mean, you can just laugh at this. I was reliably informed that the involvement of sangoma in this matter, oh my God. I was reliably informed that the involvement of Sangoma in this matter was to cause me to collapse inside the court. This is the witchcraft aimed at destabilizing the defense for accused 1 to 4, and myself being the main target in this regard. Judge Maumela started taking concoction in the form of liquid. Oh my God. In the form of liquid drink every time. Okay, let me compose myself. In the form of liquid drink every time the court was in session. Damn. I just want to hold my laugh, but this is difficult. He said, okay. Judge Maumela started taking concoction in the form of liquid drink every time the court was in session. To achieve the said goal of collapsing inside the court, this is the main reason I decided to withdraw from the matter after I mentioned my clients and the attorney. Okay. It was not difficult to explain my situation to the accused and their relatives, including Senzo Fiso Meyiwa. As African people, the Sangoma was fortunately witnessed by all the parties when coming to consult with, oh my God, I don't want to finish this, but something must be done. Something must be done. I mean, Senzo died. The family, obviously, they need closure on this. The 4 accused that Teffo is representing, it's obvious that they probably don't even have money. So they can just go to anyone who's just going to say, I will help you on pro bono. They don't have money. So if Teffo comes, it's a win for them. Now here comes Teffo. saying, I can't take this case anymore, and making a U-turn and coming up with such ridiculous claims. I mean, we have never seen such an advocate doing such things. The other day he was talking about the fact that Kenya's world record was made. In the world, there's never been a person, an advocate who was arrested in court. He's the first one. If Teffo wants to be a celebrity, he must just say, I want to be a celebrity lawyer. Maybe start going for auditions and acting. Because this one, it is a slap in the face of South Africans. No one in their right mind would want to believe a lawyer coming up with reasons of, I had nightmares because of Sangoma and Judge Maomela was drinking this liquid. What is this? Malema was coming after him and people started saying, no, he's just jealous of Advocate Teffo. But now it's imagined that Malema was right. There is a problem with this man. The sooner the better, they must stop him. They must actually say you are not allowed to come back to court. Deal with yourself first before you come. He must either decide he wants to be a celebrity or become an advocate. No wonder he's saying that I've been a lawyer for more than 10 years. I deserve to be a senior counsel. No wonder he says I deserve that, but he's not yet that. How do you make a person who comes up with such things? Come on, South Africa is not a joke, and the law of South Africa is not a joke, and Teffo is taking it as if it's a joke. Maybe the people who are cherishing him are the main reason this man is coming up with such things. But then again, we might as well wait to see if they are indeed going to grant him whatever he's requesting. And my main problem is this guy here. I understand Teffo, but this guy, why does he not tell Teffo that, man, you are out of control? Why does he not put Teffo down? But hey, what do we say? Maybe they are in the same league. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, cheers.